Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes mama, we're in a different location, and if you didn't see my last video, I'm moving, so everything is everywhere, and I was thinking that this would be a nice background. I don't know why I haven't used this before. It's cute. Flower wall is gone, it's packed away, so this is the new background. Anyways, let's get straight into the video today. So I have a package from ILLAMASQUA. So, well, it's not new foundation, it's new to me. And this is why I have eye makeup on but nothing else. And girl, anybody knows a good liquid liner, please recommend it down below, because mine is dry AF and I had to, this was a struggle today. So, basically, it comes in a box like this stringy stuff, which is, gets everywhere. But it's about the skin base by ILLAMASQUA. So let's read about what the skin base is. So I basically have these here. What I actually really like about ILLAMASQUA is that they have a system where you can order samples of the foundation to test out if, well, not to test, yeah, I guess to test out if you like it and to get your shade right. So I'm talking about the ILLAMASQUA Skin Base Foundation. So just on the ILLAMASQUA website. So in terms of shades, so you can see here, they could have more shades, I'm not gonna lie, they definitely could have more shades. My friend who's a makeup artist, she recommended this to me, and she's been doing makeup for many, many years. And she said that way back when she was doing makeup, a long time ago, and there wasn't a lot of diversity in skin shade. Of course, all of the skin tones in between, so from the lightest to the darkest, she said that this was the main foundation that she would go to, as she found that it had a shade range would cover her clients, in a sense of she would never feel unprepared. But I'm not gonna lie, I definitely feel like there could be more shades, so just saying. Anyway, let's read about what the foundation says. Our award-winning skin-based foundation is the go-to choice to create a flawless complexion every day. This lightweight and easily blendable foundation smooths, softens, and conditions your skin and is suitable for most skin types. Tested in HD environments, this foundation also provides the ultimate skin realism effect. With 26 shades to choose from, finding your perfect match has never been so easy. It says here, pro tip from ILLAMASQUA Head of Education. For a real skin look, Skin Base is the perfecting foundation. It gives a matte look, but with a very subtle sheen. Perfect to achieve a fresh face look, it's adaptable, making it great for makeup artists and makeup lovers alike. It has buildable coverage that allows you to have the cover you want, from sheer to natural full finished base. She says, I like to start Skin Base in layers using a fluffy round brush, starting in the middle of the face, close to the nose, and then blending out in circular motion. The ingredients, this is the ingredients. You obviously can't see that. I will pop a thing on the side with the ingredients so you can see what the ingredients are. And it also says that it was made in Thailand. So the customer reviews on the website are quite good. I would say that they're quite, you can always feel a little bit like, do I trust the website with the reviews? But it has 537 5-star reviews, 72 4-star, 43 3-star, 11 2-star, and it has 43 1-star. So they're obviously not going through and deleting them, from my opinion. So let me talk to you about what I did. So I got free shipping on this as well. And these samples here, you can buy them. They're £1 each. And it's a really great way if you want to test the foundation and get the right shade before. I got the shades SB 6.5, SB 4.5, SB 3.5, SB 7, and SB 3. So I already feel like some of these are not going to be my shade, but we're going to try them out and we're going to find out. You know what, sometimes I'm a little bit over double wear. It's so full coverage, and I love how long it lasts, but I do find that sometimes I just want something different, and I just want something different. So I thought I'd try this. This is 4.5. Not a bad match. 6.5. A little bit too yellow. This one is 3.5. Ooh, I think I like 3.5 quite. Ooh, that's nice. This is number 7. Ooh, no, number 7 is quite nice. Surprisingly, I thought number 7 would be too dark, but number 7 is the most natural one so far. And then this is number 3, but this is very yellow. This one is it's in person as well. That is too, no, that's too dark. So 6.5 is a no. Definitely a no from 6.5. I think see, that's like blended into nothing. But let's try a bit here. 4.5. I guess 4.5 is my real skin tone. And then this one is too yellow, too warm. So 3.5 is a no. Number 7 here. This is quite nice. It's a little bit warmer than my face. I like this one. Or does that look a bit pale? Let me try some more of this. This is number 3. Try more of this on my actual face. Let's try here. Oh yeah. That's too pale. Number 3 is no good. So I suppose it's between number 7. My friend said to me, she said, you'll be number 7. And we are quite similar. You know what I might do is I might do half my face in number 7 and half my face in 4.5. Yeah, let's do that. Now to give my skin, a little bit of a fair chance, I am not going to apply any primer. I just applied moisturizer. So I applied the Aveeno cream here. The 4.5. I'm going to use 2 different brushes as well. So I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. I think this is very full coverage. So, well, we're about to find out. Which side would I prefer? I think I prefer the number 7 side, honestly. Ma'am, I'd like to get your opinion. Do you think my foundation looks different colour on each side?
Yeah.
Which one do you prefer?
That side.
Do you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it looks more natural and smoother.
You don't think it looks really you don't think it looks paler than my face though, on my hand?
No.
What, you think that side looks darker?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah. It's got a tone of orange to it.
See, I was going to say I prefer this side.
Yeah, but that's how you like the makeup, isn't it?
Do you think I wear my do you think I wear my foundation darker than my skin normally? It's fine, you can be honest. I'm not going to get annoyed.
No, I think sometimes with what you put on it, it can make it look too shiny. I know it's highlighting.
I like highlight though. So this is it in natural light. I added some bronzer and blush and a bit of highlight. What's your opinion? Which side do you prefer? This side or this side? Let me know. I just feel like this side looks so pale that I don't know. I'm gonna bring my friend. No one's answering their phone. Bring my sister. Hi.
Hello.
You okay?
Yeah, are you? Anyway, what do you want help with?
So, I'm actually filming you right now, but don't worry, I can edit bits out. It's fine. I'm trying out a new foundation. Do you like this colour or this colour? Which one do you prefer?
Right. You're right.
This one?
Yeah.
I prefer this one as well.
That side you're pointing to now covers more.
Yeah, I like this one more. Mum likes this one. I feel like this one looks a bit cakey, doesn't it?
Yeah, you can see the pores on that one more.
Thanks for your help. Love you, bye.
Bye.
Bye, girls. Okay, cool. That settles it then. This side, I prefer. Girl, this video was a struggle today. I had people knocking at the door. I had, girl, all kinds of drama. Please let me know which side you prefer. I'm curious to see. And if you think one of the other colours match me better, let me know. But either way, I'll see you next time. Bye, loves.